Welcome back to I'll Learn. We're going to be taking a mixed number and turning it into an improper fraction. I'll start off with just a real quick explanation, and then we'll get into some of the details of how it works. To begin, multiply your whole number by your denominator. 2 times 4 is 8. Then add your numerator to that, and that will give you your total number of pieces. In this case, 11. So your improper fraction is 11 fourths. Now make sure you watch to the end of the video where we have an example notes page with all of our videos information. The notes page is available from our Teachers Pay Teachers store by itself for free or as part of the fractions bundle. Let's take a deeper dive into this and see how and why it works. First, we need to talk a little vocab as always. The whole number is going to be the number of full groups of the denominator. So here we have 4 groups of 5 that are all together. Then we have our numerator, which is how many pieces are left over towards the next whole group, and our denominator, which again is how many pieces in the whole. Let's take 4 and 2/5 and convert it into an improper fraction. We'll start visually by looking at the 4 wholes and the 2/5. We'll multiply our 4 wholes times our 5 in our denominator to get 20 individual pieces. Add that 20 pieces to the 2 in our numerator for a total of 22 pieces. Put this over our fifth because that's what everything's cut into, and we can see that 4 and 2/5 is equal to 22/5. Let's do one more example using only numbers. We'll start by multiplying our whole number times our denominator, 3 times 8, and we'll add in our numerator. 3 times 8 is 24, plus the 3 is 27. Put that over our original denominator. 3 and 3/8 is equal to 27/8. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. Here's our notes page for today. We define numerator and denominator and tell how they help us convert a mixed number. We've got an example that shows visually and numerically how to do the conversion, and finally a summary section at the bottom of the notes to write in your own thinking. This page is available from Teachers Pay Teachers, link in the description, for free or as part of our fractions bundle. I'd also love to hear from you down in the comments if you've got any tips or tricks that help you convert mixed numbers.